We see where Reggae Boyz coach Steve McClaren is making the rounds at some local Premier League games, belatedly getting to know the local players and the local conditions. Of course, we said it already, this exercise should have happened earlier in the process to give McClaren more time to find and pick out the odd young potential. Speaking of which, it would be great to see McClaren actually finding one or two genuine diamonds in the rough, whether from the JPL or even from schoolboy football. Kind of the way Rennie Simoes discovered Bibi Gardner and Pepe Goodison and lifted them from obscurity to be part of history. We really don't get the sense, though, that McClaren is that kind of coach. Either he doesn't believe in young, untested players with potential, or he does not have that eye, that special eye for diamonds in the rough. That special eye.